Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy, or welcome back to Budget with Lizzy. Today we're doing our September budget so we can see what's going to happen with our money in the month of September. If you guys love to watch budget, setup, and all that good stuff, stay tuned and here we go. So today, instead of having my stickers done on camera, I did it before the video. So I have all the stickers set up and all my flowers added. Like I said, I love to pretty up my calendar or my planner, so it makes me happy while I'm paying bills and budgeting money and all that good stuff. So first I'm going to start by filling out all my bills that's being paid, and then we'll go over the budget for the month. Let's use our Sharpie today so it can be bold. So the first, as usual, rent and cricket. So first one is rent, and that's $11.45.54. Then we have cricket subscription, which is we're gonna round up to $11. Then on the third, storage room, and that's $143. The 12th is my Discover card. 14th, we have City credit card. The 15th is my insurance and my son's insurance. Uh, 16th, iCloud. I don't know why I even put that in the budget for $1, but it is what it is. So Best Buy credit card to on the 17th. The 18th, we have Con Edison, which is electric bill, gas and electric. PayPal is on the 19th. Sears is on the 20th. $22nd, we have TD credit card, which I pay my storage room from. My storage room is charged on my TD credit card, so I just pay the credit card in place of the storage amount. Instead of I budget the storage room, but it comes from the credit card, so I just pay the credit card each month. 23rd is Chase. I just write everything down. And I forgot here, I did purchase something on my, yikes, just messed up my paper. Purchase something on my, damn, because my hand is oily. I purchased something on my Lynn Bryan card, so I gotta remember, I have to remember that. I have to put it, a sticker for it here. So, Chase credit card. Then Canva is due on the 27th. And then on the 30th is Cablevision. So that's all the bills on the date they're due. So I can go back and just glance back and see what's due and all that good stuff. So now we're gonna fill out our budget sheet and work it out. See what we gonna pay, gonna save. That's my tracker. Put that to the side also. So usually I budget 900 for my paycheck. It's usually more than that, but I keep it on the low side. So I'll be getting full paycheck for this month. So 4 times 9 is 36. My second income would be 5 weeks because it's every Friday. So that would be 750. And we're budgeting the money that I saved in my 100 envelope challenge. The money that I'm saving in my 10,000 challenge, which would be by the end of September, would be 1,800. So that was also going to be added to our income, and because we're paying credit card, and also 600 from my 1,000. What the 600 from my 1,000 1K challenge. So we're adding a total of 7,400, 7,400, and most of that is going to debt. Rent, the budget 1,146. Storage 143. Insurance, my insurance, we budgeted 99. One second. Sorry guys, it's actually really late or early in the morning because it's 3 a.m., 3 or 5 a.m. to be exact. And I'm home alone and I'm hearing noises. So that's why I went to check it out. Don't play. Okay, so where was I? Insurance is getting 99. My son's insurance is $21. Kindle, we're not gonna do it. I was supposed to cancel it since last month, and I completely forgot about it. iCloud is $1. Expedient monitoring, we're going to do $17. Cricket, $10, and Canva, $13. And let's see, 146, 143, $29, $21, 17, 10, and 13. And that's $14.50. Then for a credit card, we're gonna put 5,000 on Discover, 200 on our City, 1,900 on our Sears, which will bring it down to 0. Best Buy, $60. Which will bring this to 5,219 and 60. That's correct, right? Why am I looking at it like 5, 6, 7? Oh yes, it is 5,219 and 60 to 71.60. Con Edison, we're gonna budget 251. Cable Vision, 101. Travel, budgeting 200. Groceries, we're not gonna budget any. Spending, which is the money that I put in my wallet every week. So 65 times 4 is equal to 260. So we're gonna budget 260 for the month. Most of the time, I don't even spend it. I squander it on scratch off tickets or something on my spending. So 260 is fine for the month. For the 10,000 challenge, we budgeted 800. Emergency fund, since it's 4 weeks, that's $200. $100 for the $25 challenge. We no longer have our 100 envelope. Mystery, don't know, but let's add up the variable expenses. 101, 200, 260. So this is 812. And then we're going to add all this up and see what's left. And that will be added to our challenges for the month. So 1450, 7160, 812, which brings us to a total of 9422 plus 1100. 10,522. I'm just going to write this here for a second. Our income that we're budgeting is 750 plus 36 plus 74, which is 11,750. And if we take away 10,522, we have 12. So all the other challenges, which includes everybody, we're going to just put the balance, which is $1,228 for all other challenges I'm going to do for the month. So let's add up now. 1,400. Let's do this first. So this should be 2,328. So hopefully all the expenses bring us back to this. 1,450 plus 7,160 plus 812 plus 2,328, 1,150. So income that we're budgeting is 11,750. We're just writing this here for now because once we get our actual, we'll erase it and put the actual. So for right now, it's 11,750 and expenses is 11,750. So it's budgeted to 0. And then once we go to at the end of the month, I usually fill in the actual, what we did pay, what we did receive, and then we know if our month is balanced or not. So the month of September, I see they're coming out with some pretty planners for the fall. I'm only interested in the cover, so covers plus this part, the calendar part. So our budget is done. I seem like something is missing. Oh, I put them this way. Oops. Our budget is set up, and then we'll do our budget for the week, first week of September, and then we can announce our winners for our giveaway. The winners for our giveaway. This little image. This image is from Conversation. It came with my Happy Meal, like it was part of the packaging, but I just cut her out and laminated her. I think it's such a pretty image. So this is my balance. Then I have my trackers for each account. I fill out with all the expenses and stuff. This is for our first week budget. And so we're gonna budget here 900, and then we'll put the actual later. 150. So the budget for the week is 1050. I know it's gonna be more, but we'll figure that out when the time comes. For our stuffing, Hopefully we can pay rent, the first paycheck. Con Edison, I think that's it for. And Discovery is doing the 12, so we'll have to pay that on the 12th. So we're gonna have to pay this. And what else is due? The 14th. Let's see. The 14th is the day of the next paycheck, so we can leave city for the next week. And the storage room is already paid through my credit card. We'll pay the credit card in another week. Cricket also is on that same credit card, so that will be paid too. And that's it for now. We're not gonna be putting grocery this week. We'll be doing eating out 20, household 5, giving 5, spending 20, and emergency will also get 5. So that we know for sure. What am I missing? 20, 40, 55. So it's only 55 in stuffing for the week. And that's pretty much it for what I'm setting up right now. We still have to do our hustle video. I did make 1,224 this month for the month of August. So we're going to do a stuffing for that, and all of that is going to Sinkingfunds this time. Last one we did all of my 100 envelope. We did all the money went to my 100 envelope challenge, but this one is going to Sinkingfunds. So we have a video coming with that. What else? And we'll probably do a video on how we ended the month, how much we saved, all that stuff, end of month recap, kind of. And we'll see what happened. And then for the first paycheck, when I do the stuffing for the 7th, September 7th, we'll announce the winners of my first giveaway. And I just realized that my subscribers are up to 214, I think, last time I checked. So now I have to have another giveaway. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed my budget with me for the month of September. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and give it a like. Thumbs up and like is the same thing, right? Duh. Thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye.